So here we've got a simple project. We've got some cross-section cut already, and you can see we've got a simple annotation. So let's go take a look at how we can now label the horizontal slope. So let's right-click on our annotation group and go to Manage. Under Left Slope Annotation, you can see I'm using a text favorite called Excess Slope Annotation Left. And under the right slope annotation, you can see the text favorite here. So let's go update our text favorite. So here in the file, you can see right now we're just annotating the slope. So I'm going to come down here under Civil Element Properties. I'm going to go under Annotation, Cross-Section Annotation. I'm going to look for Segment. And you can see here that we've got a slope length. We've renamed length to slope length, and we've added a new one called horizontal. So I'm just going to add the slope length. Let's set our accuracy to 3 decimal places, and let's accept that. And I'm going to put a S on the end of it so we'll know that's the slope length. And then we're going to do the same thing for horizontal length. We'll go to 3 decimal places. We'll accept that, and we'll put an H on it to represent horizontal length. I'm going to copy those, and I'm going to also add these to the other side as well. Now let's go over to one of our drawing models, and you can see we previously had it annotated. Let's go ahead and remove the drawing model annotations, and now let's re-annotate that drawing model with our new text favorite. Now you can see here that we've added the slope, and you can see here is the horizontal slope length as well. You can also see this across the pavement where you get 12.002 for the slope length, but a standard 12 foot for horizontal.